What are we doing? Ignore them. All right. So yesterday we learned parts of a circle, radius, diameter. You have to know the difference between a radius and a diameter. You have to know if I give you the radius, how to turn it into a diameter, right? And then vice versa. If I give you a diameter, how do you turn it into a radius? Then part 2 of yesterday's class was learning about circumference. And we learned that circumference is going around the circle. And I gave you the formula circumference C is equal to pi times d. And pi is a Greek symbol, a Greek letter, spelled Pi. And it's 3.14. And then you need the diameter, which is the whole thing. So we did some practice problems. And then you did 3. A lot of you messed up on the last one, right? So on the last one, you need the diameter. What is the diameter of the circle? 7. But some of you use 3.5. It's like, no, you got to double it. 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. And I threw away my answer key, so I can no longer tell you the answers. Oh, well, it's okay. No big deal. All right, so we'll do a little bit of practice for circumference, and then I'll teach you probably area, which is pretty cool. All right, so today is 1/30/24, and we're still not done with January, one of the longest months in the world. Even though January seems to be dragging. I don't know about you. January the month. All right. Circumference is equal to what? Pi times diameter. Pi times diameter. Okay, so let's do a circle. And the diameter is like this. Quick, give me a number.
43.
The diameter is 43. Weird. Feet, inches, centimeters, yards. Inches. Imagine if it's miles. It could be a crop. Alright, so C equals pi times D. So what is pi? Always approximately 3.14 times, what is the diameter? Randomly 43. There's competitions of people memorizing what pi is. Well, no, it's infinity. You'll never stop.
Then how do you know what goes next?
They memorize it. So they'll memorize like part of it, and so there's a competition of how many numbers can you memorize. So like I can memorize 5, you can memorize 10. In the competition, people will memorize like 20, 30, 50, 100, right? So here is, the internet doesn't lie. So we use approximately 3.14. The value of pi is approximately 3.14 or 22 over 7. In high school, when you do geometry in high school, you'll be using the fraction 22 over 7. To 39 decimal places, pi is, so this is 39 numbers after the decimal. Pi is an irrational number, which means it's not equal ratio, so it doesn't repeat. So 3.141592. It was a big deal on March 14th of 2015 at 9:26 a.m. We had a little celebration. Us pie people.
You?
Yeah.
You're a pie person? I'm personally not a fan of pie.
Pie. Apple pie. A la mode, of course.
Only apple pie and like key lime pie are the best.
Alright. So, yeah, memorize that. Alright, what do we get? 135.0 units.
Inches.
Cool. Quick, give me a number with a decimal.
78.9.
Damien, what did you say?
58.9.
58.9. Interesting. Circumference is equal to pi times d. Pi is 3.14 times 58.9. Nice. Weird number. I mean, you could have given me 2 digits after the decimal. That would have been fun. Oh, units? Boring.
Mile.
It's trying to get you in trouble. What kind of friend is that? Sheesh. All right, Alonso, what's your answer? Ben wants to know.
I don't know. I don't use calculator.
Oh, okay. Then we'll give you more time. 9, 10, 12, 27, 28, 32, 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 24, 25, 22, 5, 7, 15, 7, 12, 14, 7, 8, 1, 1, 2, 3. Let's see if I got it right.
That's a big number. Oh,
Hey, you should be really proud of yourself. You did this without a calculator.
yeah, I didn't check it. Stop what?
All right. All right. 184.946 inches. All right. Let me give you a hard one. Ooh.
What about 3.2?
3.14.
It doesn't really make it that hard.
Whoa.
Whoa.
What the?
10.5.
Damn.
10.5.
I am shocked. What are the units, Mia? Oh, yeah. Something different. I like it. There was a little mistake on the homework when it came to the units. I think it was a typo, right? All right. Circumference is equal to pi times d. What is pi? 3.14. But wait! What is the diameter in this problem?
10.5.
Very good. 10.5. 3.14 times 10.5, 20, carry the 2, 7, 15, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Oh, this one's easy. 0, 7, 9, 2, 3. Move the decimal 3 times. Circumference is 32.97 centimeters. Hey, there's no guarantee that I'll give you a calculator when we're doing these problems. I gave you a calculator for discount, tax, tip, and whatever, but there's no guarantee that when you're doing this, Gio, seriously? You're purposely trying to hurt someone. That's the conversation I'll have with your parents. All right, uno más while I pass out the paper. Quick, someone give me a nice weird number
58.
with a decimal.
36.4. 36.5.
Units?
Miles.
The aliens created a circular crop in the middle of Arizona that measured a radius of 36.4 miles.
What?
The government says it's perfectly normal. There is no aliens that landed and created a crop.
Nah.
Conspiracy theories. How far? Oh my gosh. Don't divide. Ugh. Sad.
I think it could be me.
Whoa, whoa.
Hmm? No, I mean this person, how far, and they did they divided. All right, circumference is equal to pi times d. Pi is 3.14 times the diameter. Is the diameter 36.4? Nope. I would take 36.4 and you can add another 36.4. You can add it, or you can multiply by 2, right? 102.8. So I would have to multiply 3.14 times 102.8.
What?
108.
What? What's wrong with 102.8?
I got 7.
I got 72.8.
Oh, I multiplied. I know what I did. Right. That's a 7.
We caught you.
Thank you, because some of you just copy me blindly without thinking, hey, is she right or is she wrong?
Nah.
Thanks for not blindly copying me. I was just testing you.
I feel like you're the most, like, all my teachers ever, I feel like you get the most incorrect things happen to you.
Oh.
Okay. When was the last time I made a mistake?
Like right now.
Other than that?
And then a couple weeks ago.
Wow. A couple weeks ago.
Yeah, but for a math teacher. It should happen like once a month.
No.
Like, even my elementary school teacher.
Yes. It is extremely,
Thank you.
yes. Very difficult math that they were teaching you.
I know. Like, sometimes they write 4 instead of 5.
Bro.
All right.
This is actually kind of only the most.
Oh.
Like I said, there's no guarantee you're gonna be able to use a calculator on
Are you sure?
All right. So the direction says to use pi 3.14. Now, if you see all of this sheet, they all give you the diameter, right? So they give you the number that you need. Fantastic. This is the number that you need. If you turn the paper over, Ava, on the back, what do you notice?
They don't give you the
Diameter?
yeah.
They only give you radius, right? So are these the numbers that we're going to use on the back?
No.
No, you're going to have to double all of the ones on the back, okay, before you multiply by 3.14. So on page 1, you're good. They give you the numbers. So what does Miss Amelie want to see? Because if you just write the answer, I will gladly, with a smile on my face, give you a 0.
You have to put C equals and then 44 times 14.
Yes. I mean, yes. Yes.
Or do you want us to also put like the C equals and then like the pi thing and then
We can do that on the top. C equals, what's your formula? Diameter. Like a little piece of you dies. Diameter when you do this. Pi times D, pi times D. All right. Now, like Mia said, which pretty much is what I want, C equals 3.14 times 44.
calculator?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, it says rapid.
Yeah, so that's one number after the decimal.
Wait, what the heck?
What? So using a calculator, Alfonso, don't torture yourself. We'll torture you later. Use a calculator. Use it. It's fine.
I didn't use it.
Well, erase it. Use a calculator and then write your answer. I'm kidding. No, I'm kidding. Okay, what do we get?
138.16.
138?
This was some valid.
Well, we're not there yet. You know, we're not there yet, Ben.
Yeah, we're not there yet.
3.14 times 44 is 138.16. Now, in the directions, here's how I'm going to get you. Sorry. Round your answer to the nearest tenth, which your calculator is not going to do for you, which means, Adrian, you're going to have to do some math. Okay. Which number is in the tenth place? 1. Okay, so the 10th place is right after the decimal. So the 6 tells the 1 to go up 2. So what is my final answer that I will be checking?
138.2.
So if we get an answer that happens to be 78.5, do we still have to round to like the nearest one and just?
Doesn't it stay the same?
If you get a number that's in the hundreds, then you're solid. You're good. That's slang for good. Ooh, new student.
New student. We had an assistant.